ఆన్ చేసాడు వీడియో.
Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to revise lines and angles. So, in that we learnt basic or fundamental geometrical concepts. Fundamental geometrical concepts we discussed now. The points, what is point, line segment, ray, line. Okay, so we discussed these points and what are complementary angles, supplementary angles, conjugate angles. Complementary angles, supplementary angles, conjugate angles. So we know complementary angles. Complementary angles means what, Nana? The sum of the two angles whose sum is equals to 90 degrees. Complementary angles means what, Nana? The sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. That is complementary angles. Supplementary angles means what, Nana? The sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 180 degrees means that is supplementary angles. Next, conjugate angles. Conjugate angles means what, Nana? Conjugate angles means the sum of the measures of two angles is equals to 360 degrees. So, for example, see, I am taking here 50 degrees plus 40 degrees, that is equals to 90 degrees. Okay na? Complementary angles ante two angles ni add cheste their sum is equals to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles means when I am going to add two angles, their sum is equals to 180 degrees. So 150 plus 30, 180. Okay, so these angles are called the supplementary angles. Next, conjugate angles. When we are going to add two angles, the sum is equals to 360 degrees means that is conjugate angles. Okay na students? We can say that 50 is the complement of 40 degrees and 40 is the complement of 50 degrees. 150 is the supplement of 30 degrees and 30 is the supplement of 150 degrees. Okay na? So 300 is the conjugate angle of 60 degrees and 60 is the conjugate angle of 300 degrees. So in this model I am going to say one problem now.
కాజేనా
Two supplementary angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles. Okay now students, two supplementary angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles. We know supplementary angles means what, Nana? The sum of the measures of two angles is equals to 180 degrees. Now see its solution. The ratio of two supplementary angles.
కొంచెం వాయిస్ పెంచండి.
The ratio of two supplementary angles is equals to, that is 4:5. Okay, so you take like this, one is 4x, another one is 5x. The sum of the terms of the ratio, what, Nana? The sum of the terms of the ratio, that is 4x plus 5x is equals to 9x. The terms of the ratio ni add cheste నాకు 9x వచ్చింది. we know supplementary angles means what, Nana? The sum of the supplementary angles, two supplementary angles, the sum of two supplementary angles is equals to 180 degrees. Now see, I am going to find it. What is the first supplement angle? That is 4x degrees. Okay, now 4x by the sum of the terms of the ratio, what, Nana? That is 9x. Okay, now is equals to, okay, is equals to, sorry, into the sum of the terms of the ratio వచ్చేసి 9x, the sum of the two supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Then we will get, మనకి ఏమొస్తుందో అని ఇక్కడ క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ x క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, 9 1s 9 20s. సో 4 into 20 is equals to what, అన్న 80 degrees. సో ఫస్ట్ యాంగిల్, ఓకేనా, one of the angle is 80 degrees. Then next sum of the terms of the ratio, that is 5x by sum of the terms of the ratio, that is 5x into supplementary angles, their sum is equals to 180 degrees. 9 1s 9 20s 80 degrees. 5 into 20 degrees, that is 100 degrees. So we can say that therefore 100 degrees plus 80 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Clearly we can say these two angles are the supplementary angles. Okay, we can say 80 is the supplement of 100 degrees and 100 is the supplement of 80 degrees. Okay na students, if you get like this any problem based on this complementary or supplementary angles, you do like this. Okay na students. Now
हाँ सर,
x is the, if x is the given angle, okay, if x is the given angle it's complementary, then it's complement angle, that is equals to 90 degrees minus x. Okay now, if given x is the angle, then you want to find its complement angle, then do like this, complement angle, that is 90 minus x degrees, and it's a supplementary angle, it's a supplement angle. Given angle is x degrees means if you want to find its supplement angle, that is 180 minus x, then you will get the required supplement angle. For example, you take x is equals to 40 degrees, x is equals to what, now 40 degrees, then you want its complement angle, that is 90 minus 40 degrees is equals to 50 degrees. Now 50 degrees plus 40 degrees means again you will get a 90 degrees. Okay now, next again for the same angle, you want to find a supplement angle, then that is 180 minus 40 degrees is equals to 140 degrees. Okay, so now 140 plus 40 plus 140 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so like this we will find when we know the angle. We can use 90 minus x and 180 minus x. 90 minus x is the complement angle, supplement angle is 180 minus x. Okay na students? Pause. Okay students, now the next question is XOY. XOY is a straight line. What Nana? XOY is a straight line. Here x is to y is to z is equals to, that is 6 is to 5 is to 4. The angles, three angles form అయ్యాయి కదా ఇక్కడ. They formed three angles, 1 2 3, x y z. ఈ three angles ratio వచ్చేసి 6 is to 5 is to 4. Then find the x y z. Okay, so now you take sum of the terms of the ratio. Sum of the terms of the ratio, that is equals to what Nana? వీటిని యాడ్ చేయండి. 6 plus 5 plus 4, that is equals to 15. Okay na, sum of the terms of the ratio వచ్చేసి 15. So everyone you try to observe, XOY is a straight line. At O, there form a straight angle. ఏ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అయింది? there form a straight angle. అంటే straight angle measures what Nana? 180 degrees. Okay, now see at O, అంటే XOY is a straight line. At O there form a straight angle. So we can find x is equals to, what is the first angle? That is 6 by sum of the terms of the ratio, that is 15 into ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఏ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అయిందన్నా? స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్ మెజర్స్ వాట్ అన్న? దట్ ఈస్ 180 degrees. సో యూజింగ్ 15 టేబుల్, 15 1s are 15, 15 1s are 15. అంటే 18లో 15 మైనస్ అయిపోతే మనకి 3 ఉంటుంది. డిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 0, అంటే 13. 15 2s are, అంటే 15 1s are 15, 15 12s are 180. So now 6 into 12, 12 6s are 72. So one of the angle is what Nana? X is equals to what? That is 72 degrees. Okay, now the next angle is 5, that is what Nana? Y. So y is equals to, next term వచ్చేసి 5 తీసుకుంటున్నా. Sum of the terms of the ratio means that is 15 into, ఇక్కడ straight angle form అయింది, it measures 180 degrees. Now 15 1s are, 15 12s are. So 5 into 12 means what Nana? That is 60 degrees. Same like that only, the next one, last angle, that is z is equals to 4 by sum of the terms of the ratio 15 into AOB XOY. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనకి స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్, 15 1s are, 15 12s are. So 4 12s are, that is 48 degrees. So when we are going to add these 3 degrees, that is x plus y plus z, that is x means what Nana? 72 degrees plus 60 degrees plus 48 degrees is equals to, ఇక్కడ 72 plus 60 means what ra? That is we will get 132 degrees. 132 degrees plus 48 means what Nana? That is 180 degrees. Again, the sum of the measures of these 3 angles x, y, z is equals to what Nana? 180 degrees. So we will find like this based on the concepts. Okay students?
కట్ చేస్తున్నా 14 22